Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're a new mom who's amazed by the miracle of motherhood, but wondering how to address some of the changes your body has gone through, you've clicked on the right video. Stay with us as we explore transformative solutions right here at Summer Plastic Surgery Clinic. Motherhood elevates and transforms, but it can also leave marks on your body that diet and exercise alone may not fix. That's where we come in. We understand the physical challenges that come post-pregnancy. Our goal is to help you reclaim your body and boost your confidence. At Summer Plastic Surgery Clinic, we specialize in post-pregnancy body contouring. Whether it's an abdominoplasty, a breast lift, or liposuction, each procedure is tailored to your needs, helping you achieve the look you desire. As you can see, the results speak for themselves. The longevity of these transformations can vary, but typically, our patients enjoy their new figures for up to a decade. Every journey begins with a single step. Ready to start your own transformation? Contact us today for a free evaluation. Let's make your post-motherhood body everything you want it to be.